Hello, I'm Rachel. When you fill a glass little by little and you don't stop, you continue, the water starts to come out. It doesn't stop. It goes everywhere. And you have a flood. Let me think. You are here because you want to speak English. You want to speak English because you want to travel, or you want to learn English because it's a personal objective. But it's so frustrating. You listen to English on Netflix and YouTube, but the people speak so quickly and you can't understand anything. You do grammar exercises. Oh, but it's so boring. You want to fill your glass so the words will start coming out. I know how you feel. I am from England, but now I live in France. When I first came to France, it was so difficult to understand and really difficult to speak. So I listened and I listened, and I filled my glass little by little, and I started to understand. And then, little by little, I started to speak. I understood that acquiring a language takes time. You need to be patient, just like a child who is learning to speak. Oh. Is it dark?
No,
it's light.
Foggy, it's foggy, Alice. Foggy. Foggy outside, is it?
I started my YouTube channel for people like you. You can understand a little English, but you're not ready for authentic English. In my videos, I speak naturally, but not too quickly. And I use drawings and pictures and gestures to help you understand. And I look for interesting stories to tell you. Stories about real people and places, or myths and legends. My videos are like a stepping stone between simplistic and authentic English. I want you to enjoy English and to gain confidence. There are lots of videos you can watch on my channel, and I'm trying to make a new video every week. So if you subscribe and hit the bell, you will get a notification from YouTube when I make a new video. And if you look under the video in the description, there is a link to my Smile English Stories club. If you are in the club, I send you more English to fill your glass. So, welcome to Smile English Stories, and I will see you soon.